Hello, everyone, and good afternoon. Today is Thursday, August 14th, 2025, at 13:43. And today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for today. So, our Day 2 outlook, we have a slight risk that mainly encompasses parts of central Wisconsin, but encompasses parts of eastern Minnesota. We have a marginal risk that extends from most of Wisconsin into the UP of Michigan, down into northern Illinois, parts of northern Iowa, parts of western Nebraska, and northern Nebraska as well, parts of eastern Wyoming, almost all of South Dakota, parts of eastern Montana, and parts of southern North Dakota. So we do have and central Minnesota also having a marginal risk. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So we have Eau Claire, La Crosse, Wausau, Winona, and Stevens Point under a slight. And we have Milwaukee, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Madison, and Rockford under a marginal. So let's go ahead and deep dive and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of central Wisconsin through east central Minnesota and parts of the UP of Michigan. So we have those areas under a 2% tornado risk. We have Minneapolis, St. Paul, Rochester, Bloomington, and Plymouth under the 2%. So we could see a brief EF0 tornado in the 2% area tomorrow. It could happen, so please be aware. Going into the wind threat, we have a 15% for mainly parts of central Wisconsin, but parts of eastern Minnesota as well under the 15%. We have a 5% that extends from the UP of Michigan through much of Wisconsin, parts of northern Illinois, northern Iowa, parts of northern and western Nebraska. I did miss this, but we do have the extreme northern part of Colorado under this. We have eastern Wyoming, almost all of South Dakota, parts of eastern Montana, and southern North Dakota, as well as central Minnesota having the 5%. So, again, we have Eau Claire, La Crosse, Wausau, Winona, and Stevens Point under the 15%, and Milwaukee, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Madison, and Rockford under the 5%. So for the 15%, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible, and for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible. So please be mindful that may be possible tomorrow. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% for parts of central Wisconsin and eastern Minnesota, and we have a 5% extending from parts of the UP of Michigan through parts of Wisconsin, northern Iowa, parts of northern and western Nebraska, the extreme northern part of Colorado, eastern Wyoming, almost all of South Dakota, eastern Montana, southern North Dakota, and central Minnesota also having a 5%. So we do have those areas under a hail risk for tomorrow. We have Eau Claire, Wausau, Cottage Grove, Hastings, and Marshfield under the 15%. In Minneapolis, St. Paul, Sioux Falls, Green Bay, and Rochester having the 5%. So for the 15% area, we have 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible for tomorrow. And for the 5%, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful that it may be possible tomorrow. The only thing the summary says for tomorrow is scattered severe storms are likely over parts of the northern plains and upper Mississippi Valley on Friday. So there you have it. I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's Day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. I did forget to mention the extreme northern part of Colorado is under this marginal for tomorrow. Anyway, stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Even though there is a marginal, you never know what these storms could do in the marginal. So even if you are in the marginal, you still are going to want to remain weather aware and safe. In the meantime, I hope you have a great day, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, take care.